Today I've had a nice conversation with Reza. He wants to build a 5-meter long indoor waterfall, and he told me, Marcus, there are only indoor waterfall kits up to 250 centimeters. So what can we do here? And then I explained him that in that case, what we can do is we can create a big, long indoor water kit, and this will be made out of 3 overflow channels, like you can see here, and they can be connected through our system here very easily, and you will not see any changes here on the wave pattern, because the water, as soon as it exits here the lip, it will join the water from the neighbor overflow channel. So this is how we build very long indoor waterfalls, because actually it is almost impossible to create an overflow channel that is longer than 200 centimeter and still super perfectly straight. So this is how we solve this at the top, and at the bottom we deliver 3 bottom tank elements. Those will be welded at the sides. So at one side here, this wall we will close and weld. Also at the other side we will weld and close the wall. But here in this middle element we will deliver without walls, and you will need to find a local stainless steel welder who then will weld together the bottom tanks at your place. It's actually not a big thing. So you just have to find a good welder in your location. Then he will come to your place, he will weld it, he will clean the welding seams, and after that you additionally will put the sealing tape on the outside from the welding. And I recommend also to put some acrylic sealing glue at the inside, also for additional waterproofing. So then actually you will have like 3 levels of waterproofing. One is the welding, which should be waterproof by itself. Then additionally you have the tape from the outside, and the third security is you have the acrylic glue from the inside. So this is then what you would need to do at your place, only welding here and here. Of course it is not only at the front but also down here and here. So this weld goes like, yeah, I think you can imagine it is connecting the complete containers. That's the only thing your welder needs to do. The overflow channels at the top, they will be delivered already welded. So only thing you need to do is to hire a welder at your place so that he can then do the welding at your place. And maybe just one last thing, our standard raw parts of the bottom tanks are 210 centimeters long. So if, for example, your indoor waterfall, like in Reza's example, is 5 meter, then we will deliver 2 times 200 centimeters, and one element we will deliver in this case would be 90 centimeters, so that then the whole thing together is 510 centimeters. And the overflow channels together, they will be divided in 166.6 centimeters, which then together will be 5 meter in total length, or 500 centimeters. So that's the basic setup. The overflow channel at the top will have the indoor waterfall's length, and the bottom tank is always 10 centimeters bigger, so that we have 5 centimeter security space at the sides left. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. And by the way, yes, this is now at the moment only an offer for 500 centimeter, because I talked today with Reza. If your indoor waterfall has another dimension, please contact me and I will add another quote for your custom length. Thank you, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.